Let me teach you some Igbo greetings. Good morning. Ibolachi. Ibolachi. Some say Isalachi. Good night is Kachifo. Kachifo. And the response is Kobo. So Kachifo, Kobo. How are you? Kedu. Kedu. If you're talking to like your age mate, your friend, you can say Kekwano. Kekwano. That's like what's up? What's up? Kekwano. And then the full form, how are you doing? Kekime. Kekime. Or Kedu Kimere. Kedu Kimere. Kekime. The response is Adimumma. Adimumma. I am fine. Adimumma. How about you? Giwakwano. Giwakwano. The response is the same. Adimumma. I think people from Imo, they say Iripole. Thank you is Imela or Dalu. In some cases, you can even say Ndewo. Goodbye. Kodi. Kodi. See you later. Kemesia. Kemesia. See you next time. Kodi Mbozo. Kodi Mbozo. Drop more greetings in the comments.